ask the question once again, does it work? That's coming up next. Hey there, and welcome to Real Chicks TV. I'm your Real Chick Carla, and I'm your unofficial product tester of beauty products that are weird, strange, interesting, or downright bizarre. And today I've got something interesting for you. But before I get to that, I want to go ahead and remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's that little red button right down there. Right down there. There you go. Right down there. Yep. Right down there. It's either down there, or smack in the middle, depending on what kind of device you're watching this on. But go ahead and smash that subscribe button for all things in the beauty world that are bizarre, weird, interesting, or strange, because that's what I'm testing for you all the time. And I'm your guinea pig so that I can save you some money, hopefully, on things that are and tell you if it's worth it, and that way you know before you buy. This is what I'm testing today. It's been out for a couple of months now, and I've been seeing it all over YouTube ads everywhere and television ads everywhere. This is the Kiss Lash Glue and Liner all in one. It's an eyeliner and lash glue all in one little tube. And it promises you that you are going to have a flawless eyelash application. Now, I struggle with false eyelashes. I love them because I have severely deep set hooded eyes and I have mature eyes. And when you put on false lashes, those lashes just give those mature hooded eyes, deep set eyes an instant lift, instantly make you look younger, give you full voluminous lashes, which that makes you look younger. And it also gives your eye a lift so that your hoods don't look so droopy and your eyes don't look so downturned. So it gives you that youthful lift that we're all looking for. So I'm always wanting to find a way to apply them, but I struggle with them. In fact, let's just say it, I stink at it. I suck at it, okay? And then I saw this being advertised and I was most intrigued and said, that sounds like a good product for an episode of Does It Work? So we're gonna find out, does it work today? I paid about $8.99, I think, for this. I'll put a link for you down in the description box down below. You always want to check out the description box because I always have coupon codes, discount codes, links to the products that I'm talking about, as well as links to the makeup of the day. So this is the Kiss Black Lash Glue and Eyeliner all-in-one matte finish, foolproof, easy touch-up. It also comes in white clear as well if you don't want the black. I am going to use the liner and the lash glue today with a cheap pair of e.l.f. eyelashes. These are $1 from e.l.f. and they work pretty well, but the reason I'm using cheap ones as opposed to really, really expensive ones is because I want to see if this miracle lash glue liner works with a cheap pair of lashes as well as an expensive pair. Because let's face it, a more expensive pair of lashes may work better, but I want to see if it's going to work with anything and everything. So that's what we're going to do today. So when you're using lashes, you want to hold them with the lashes facing out, open them, take them out of the package with the lash facing out. And so this lash right here is going to correspond with this eye. This lash right here is going to correspond with this eye. If you turn them around, it's going to be the wrong eye. So that's how I use them, and then I just lay it down this way so that I can pull it and put it with the right eye. Now this comes with some glue. We don't need this stinking glue because we're using the new stuff from Kiss. So holding this out to pull it with the corresponding eye, I'm just pulling it off the card, and I'm using a pair of scissors, which most of the time you're going to need to trim your lashes. So first I'm just going to put it up next to my eye, if I can see. And I'm just going to measure it a little bit and see how much I need to cut off so that it fits my eye. Because if there's too much hanging down here, that's going to make those hooded eyes or any eye look that much droopier and that much more hooded. So I'm just going to trim off right about there. I don't want too much hanging down. I don't want an overlap. That I think is going to be fine. I'm going to lay that down with my to match up with my corresponding eye. I'm going to lay that right down there. Now I'm just going to pull this one off. There we go. Measure it with my eye. And just trim the tail off of it. Okay, now for the moment of truth. I have not tried this yet. This is in real time with you. I wanted to play with it, but I saved it because I wanted to have it with you live and in person, and we do it together so that we can see how easy it goes on. Now, I am not the best at eyeliner. I don't normally use eyeliner on my top lid because I do have hooded lids, and so doing too thick of a line can make hooded lids look that much more hooded and can make your eyes look that much more deep set. That's not the look I'm going for. So I'm going to try to draw a thin line, but one that's thick enough with enough product on it so that the lashes will stick. Now, are you hopeful about this? Let's face it. It's an eyeliner and a glue all in one. I'm not convinced it's not going to transfer to my lids when I blink, because I'm going to have to blink in between grabbing the lash and putting it on. You think it's going to work? Let's try it and see. I'm not convinced yet. Okay, so it says before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, you need to immediately apply the lash strip band along the glue liner line and pat to set the strip in place, and then repeat on the other eye. So, all right, fingers crossed, here we go. Lash. Is it going to work? And there was transfer. I knew there would be. I knew there would be transfer, but that's okay. It's coming off. All right, let's get this on here quick before it dries. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy cats. Is it working? I think I actually just got an eyelash on there. It worked! Who would have thought? Wait, now it's on. It's on. It's on. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Yay! Now, I didn't put it in the best spot, and I may have to go over it with a little bit of eyeliner to kind of make it blend in. But my golly, it actually went on. It actually worked. Oh, let's do the other one. I got so excited I dropped the eyeliner. Let's do the other one. Let's do the other one. Well, good googly moogly, sweet Mother Mary. Even the second one went on even easier than the first one. Woohoo! We have lashes, baby. Lashes in the house. Now, after you've applied your lashes, can you see the sweat pouring off of me? I mean, the sweat is just pouring down on me. I feel like the pressure of every test ever just on my shoulders. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? And by golly, I have lashes. We have lashes, darling. We have lashes, and they have stuck, and they actually look decent. Now, I am going to quickly put a little bit of mascara on underneath on my real lashes to kind of meld them together. And like I said, you can kind of see the lash band because I put the band up a little too high, but it's sticking great. I mean, it's just sticking beautifully. I can't believe it. So I'm going to blend that in real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I touched up a little bit with a little bit of eyeliner on my top lid to make both lids match, because like I said, I don't draw a perfectly straight line. When I draw eyeliner, it's like eyebrows. They're cousins. They're not twins, okay? Okay. And I also added some mascara, and I added it to not only my natural lashes to make the two lashes blend, but I also put it on the false lashes as well. Yes, you can put mascara on false lashes, and it does extend them and make them look even bigger, but the reason I did it was to see if it was going to hold, if it held. And that glue held, that sucker held. It actually held on there. This held the lash on there while I was applying mascara. This is amazing. I can't remember the last time I've been this excited over spending $9 on something. I feel like I've hit the lash lottery. So I tell you what, Kiss Lash Glue and Liner, kudos to you. High five. You got it right. So to answer the question, does it work and is it worth your money, honey? Yes and yes. This is a good product. I'm especially excited about this right now because so many of us are wearing masks. We've cut down on the amount of makeup that we're wearing, many of us have, and I'm focusing predominantly on my eye look because when you got a mask on, all you're seeing are your eyes. So I am excited that I have something that's going to work with eyelashes to make my eyes pop a little bit when I got that stinking mask on. So if you got to wear one, you might as well make the best of it and make your eyes pop, honey. Just make those eyes pop. Get you some of this, pop you on those lashes, and just be popping all over town, okay? Just pop, pop, pop. And that's going to wrap it up for this edition of Does It Work? A big ol' yes. This is probably, since I've been doing Does It Work and since I've been testing products, this is probably the best one yet. Yes, indeed, it does work. If you like these kinds of videos and you would like for me to continue making them, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below because I am looking at my YouTube career. I'm looking at cutting back some. I'm looking at whether or not I'm going to continue, and your support is critical. Your subscribing is critical. So if you want me to continue weekly, I was doing twice a week. I'm probably not going to do that anymore. But if you want me to continue weekly, let me know. If you want me to continue at all, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you've tried this yet, tell me what your experience has been with it, or if it looks like something you'd like to try, let me know. Just leave me a comment. Go ahead and hit that like button, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm your Real Chick Carla. This is Real Chicks TV. That's going to wrap it up. Until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high. Much love to you. Mwah. Bye-bye.